Welcome back, guys. And if you are giving hotspot and anybody there is not able to see your mobile name in available Wi-Fi network search, then in that case what will you do? I am going to discuss in this video. I am going to tell you two things. If you have Samsung mobile and you are going to give internet data to somebody through hotspot, but that person is not able to search your mobile in available Wi-Fi networks, so in that case go to the setting, go to the connections, mobile hotspot and tethering, mobile hotspots, configure, advanced, and just see hidden network. If it is on your mobile, hotspot's name would not appear in the list of available Wi-Fi networks. Just turn it off, save it, and now your mobile will appear, and all the persons in that your vicinity can see your mobile in available Wi-Fi network search. This is the first thing. And the second thing, if it is still not working, just change the name and password, and after that just search. I think after doing these two activities and after resetting, means switching your mobile off and on, your hotspot will work correctly. So this is what two things. First, hidden network you have to see in the connections, hotspot, and then configure, advanced. And the second thing, just change your username and password and switch off on your mobile. So this is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the channel, please do consider to subscribe this. Thank you very much.